Welcome to this video session. Today I would like to discuss the chapter unit of measurement in the module 2, and the contents or the topics of the module 2 are measuring of mass and weight, measuring of length, and the measuring of volume. So I would like to start from your book, The Measuring of Mass, the first topic of today's discussion. Here you will get the definition of unit. What is unit? For measuring any physical quantity, a standard is used, and this standard is called unit. So unit is a standard that is used for measuring any physical quantity. That's it. The unit used for measuring mass is gram in CGS, and in MKS that is kilogram. We know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. For measuring mass, we generally use a balance. There are three types of different balance we can use to measure the physical quantity of mass. First is the physical balance. Physical balance is also used by grosser. Common balance is used in the laboratory purpose, and spring balance is also used in grocery. Basically, physical balance and the common balance, these two types of balance are used to measure the mass. Specifically, common balance is used in laboratory, whereas the physical balance is used by any grosser in order to measure the mass of any body. As well as the spring balance is also used by the grosser. The mass of a substance is measured relative to mass of known object. So in order to measure the mass of any substance, we have to take the mass of known object. So there is the comparison that we will take first the mass of known object, and by using the mass of known object we will measure any physical quantity such as the mass of any body. The mass of known metallic, that is the brass block, which are used for measuring mass of a substance, are termed weights. So mainly, in order to measure the mass of any quantity, physical quantity of any solid body, the known objects that we can use is the weights. So what are the weights? Weights are known metallic brass block, and this known metallic brass blocks will be used in order to measure the mass of any body. Is this clear? So through using the weights, these are the known metallic brass blocks, we can measure any mass of any solid body. Now look here, the ratio of weights in weight box will be 5:2:2:1. That means all weights in the weight box will be in the ratio of 5:2:2:1 in order to measure any kind of mass. For example, if you say, how can we measure 12 kg? By using this ratio of the weight box of the weights, we have to take first 5 kg, once again 5 kg. So 5 kg plus 5 kg equal to 10 kg. and then we will take the 2. So 5 kg, 5 kg plus 2 kg equal to 12 kg. So in this way, using this weight ratio, we can measure any mass of the any body. So I hope the concept is here clear. First, we have to know what is unit. Unit is nothing but it is a standard that is used to measure any physical quantity. The unit of mass is kg. There are three different types of balances, and these balances can be used for measure the mass, such as physical balance, common balance, and the spring balance. Common balance mainly used in laboratory, whereas the physical balance is used mainly by the grocers in order to measure the mass, and the spring balance also we can use. And there is also the way of measuring any mass of body, and that is the ratio 5:2:2:1, and using the non-metallic brass blocks, that is the weights. So using these weights, we can measure any mass of body. Physical balance and common balance is used for comparing the weight of substance with the weight of known substance. Here the thing is weights. So using the weights, we can measure any mass of any body by using the device physical balance or the common balance. Is it clear? But actual weight of substance can be determined only with a spring balance. So try to focus your thinking here, over here, that what is the main difference between the physical balance and the common balance. With the spring balance, spring balance will be used to measure the actual weight, whereas physical balance and the common balance will be used to measure the mass of any body. This experiment is not for you. You can escape this one. I am moving to the page number 63. Here the second topic of the module 2 is measuring length. The unit used for measuring length is centimeter, and the symbol is cm. The scale that is used for measuring length is called meter scale.